Now I'm going to show you end-to-end demo of our e-commerce app AnyCart. Here we have the AnyCart AI-powered shopping experience, and then we sell products along three categories: accessories, clothing, and shoes. Now what I can do is I can go ahead and ask the chatbot on the kind of shoes that I have in the inventory. So I'm going to pose a question and I'm going to say, what type of shoes do you have? And you can see here on the agentic AI conversational interface, hey, I'm your AnyCart shopping assistant. I can recommend products, place orders, or track existing ones. How can I help you? And then we pose this question, what type of shoes do you have? It went to the product catalog and retrieved all the different type of shoes that it has. Now, let's say I want to buy this particular shoes, cloud running runner shoes, product ID 101. Now I'll just pose a follow-up question. Please order running shoes with product ID 101 and quantity 2. Okay, now let me just go ahead and send it. So as soon as I posed the question, my LangGraph agent understood the intent and placed an order in the backend database. And it also has given me the order ID that you can see here. Now let's say I come back after a few days and I want to check the order status for this order. So now I pose the follow-up question, what is the order status for order ID that it had provided me earlier? So as soon as I sent the request, my LangGraph agent understood that this is a request for order status. It retrieved the data from backend and provided me status pending, and this is the order ID, and the quantity that I had ordered was 2. So now in this section, we have learned how to build a multi-agent application using LangGraph and AWS. And remember, LangGraph is one of the most important agentic AI framework that is being used across the enterprises. Okay, so that's pretty much it from this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.